In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Adobe stock, ticker symbol ADBE in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your mobile device, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then go to the top part here where it says search and press on the search bar. Type in ticker symbol, as I mentioned before, ADBE for Adobe. So as you can tell now, Adobe Inc. Press on Adobe Inc. right there. Now if you want to buy shares of Adobe, go press on buy at the bottom. Now it actually defaults for me to fractional buy, but if you want to change this to a market buy or whatever, press on fractional buy, and then you have the options of market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, and recurring buy. So select whatever one you guys want, and then type in the amount that you want to invest into Adobe. So I'll just do $1 for this demonstration. Now keep in mind, this is in USD, not CAD. So just so you guys are aware, press on continue at the bottom once that is done. Now to confirm your purchase, press on confirm order at the bottom, and there you go. But first, notice how the cost for this is $1 USD, but as I mentioned before, there is a conversion to Canadian. So the estimated cost here is $1.36 Canadian, which includes the 1.5% fee and the exchange rate that is estimated. So that is how you guys can buy Adobe stock, ticker symbol ADBE in Canada. I hope this video helps.